Hey, it's Nate with MailerLite. So life hacks are awesome, right? Those little tricks that make your life easier that you didn't even know about. I'll give you an example that I use all the time. You ever close a tab on your browser by mistake? So hit Control, Shift, and T, and it will open your most recently closed tab. That's awesome, right? You're welcome. So there's a life hack just like that for email marketing that you should be using. It's called automation. Automation as in robots making your life easier. So it's not going to do your laundry or the dishes, but it will make your emails easier and more targeted. In fact, automated emails are open nearly 200% more often than regular mass emails. Why is that? Turns out automation lets you send the right email to the right person at the right time. Emails are sent when a user takes an action, so the timing and the content are tailored to the individual, which increases relevance. So your performance metrics will go through the roof while you're actually doing less work. You want to learn how that works? Let's roll those opening credits and jump into automation. So there's a ton of ways to use automation, but we're going to talk about 4 big ones. Number 1, automate your welcome emails. A strong first impression is so important. It's like getting a great handshake and a warm smile the first time you meet someone. And just like a handshake, it's expected. 75% of email users expect a welcome email. It's so popular that it generates on average 3 times more transactions per email, 4 times more open rates, and 5 times more click rates. So here's a few key steps in making the perfect welcome email. Be authentic. Be clear about what the reader can expect. Invite them to personalize their experience on your website, and end on a high note with a special offer. If you do those 4 things, you'll be in good shape. It's no surprise that you can do all of this quickly and easily in MailerLite. You can use our automation tool to build simple rules to contact your customers at the right time. Hit them with the welcome email. If they click, you can create an automatic coupon email 2 days later. If they don't click, you can send a re-engagement email a week later. You can customize this however you'd like, so jump into that tool and check it out. Number 2, self-segmentation. This is all about relevance. If you're shopping for a car and you get an email about buying a boat, well, that wouldn't really make sense. With segmentation, you can divide your audience by what they like. So if a user clicks a link about convertible cars, for example, then they can go into a sports car bucket to get the right messaging about the right product. This is easy to do as well in MailerLite. Just use the automation dashboard to segment your readers based on their behavior. If they do certain things, then they get put on different email paths. It's all about customization. It's simple. I'm going to put a link to a video for more on segmentation right now on YouTube. Number 3, automate lead nurturing. This is what it's all about. You want to get your customers from welcome email to learning more to making a sale. This takes time though. 50% of qualified leads aren't ready to buy. It's like a relationship. You're not going to get lucky on the first date. So there's 3 general stages of the nurture cycle: awareness, consideration, and decision making. In awareness, it's all about getting to know you. Offer free white papers, guides, tip sheets, videos just like this one, and more. The consideration stage that comes next is getting a little bit more involved. It's looking at products, getting a sample, checking out webinars. Finally, the decision stage is exactly what it sounds like. That's the time to offer trials, coupons, quotes, the things that get the sale done. So you can automate those 3 steps I just touched on in MailerLite using any link as a trigger to send automation emails to move your customers down the sales funnel. It's really what it's all about. All right, last but not least, number 4, automate retention. You need to keep the customers you already have happy. 80% of retail marketers report that email marketing is the number 1 driver of customer retention. Social media is second at only 44%, so it's way out in front there. So a perfect example of retention is a monthly subscription business. Let's say you use something like Netflix or HBO and you're paying a monthly subscription for that service. But let's say you just start and you have a 90-day trial. A few days before expiration, you can automate an email to go out reminding your customers, but also offering a discount. This is all about identifying when your customers need to hear from you and delivering value when they least expect it. I'm sure this can apply to your business in some way. So, does all of this sound super technical? It's really not. Our platform is designed so anyone can get set up with automation in an easy step-by-step process. Once they're set up, they just keep on working without lifting a finger. You can actually learn this whole process in 7 minutes. I'll send a link to that video on YouTube, and I'll link to that description where we put this video in other places as well, so check that out. Automation is a superpower, but use your powers for good. Automation, if used incorrectly, can cause the wrong emails to be sent out, so take your time, check your settings, and test it out before launching the campaign. We know you guys are going to love this tool. If you haven't tried it yet, give it a go at MailerLite.com. It really is easy and super awesome to use. So thank you for joining us, guys. These videos are definitely not automated, so if you like the work that we put into them to make you smarter about email marketing, go ahead and click that subscribe button, click the bell to get notified about new videos. Get to know the MailerLite team over on our Facebook and Instagram pages, and there's a ton more to learn over at MailerLite.com. We're just scratching the surface on everything it can do. I'm Nate. Let me know if you have questions in the comments. We'll see you on the next video.